Let's now tell you what's happening in Maharashtra, which has reported 778 new COVID-19 cases. That's the highest in a day. This has taken the state's tally of coronavirus positive cases to over 6,400. The increase was the single biggest jump for the state since the beginning of the pandemic. 522 new cases were reported in the last 24 hours in Mumbai. The death toll due to COVID-19 has now gone up to 269 in the state, with 14 new deaths reported in the last 24 hours. Mumbai continues to be a major hotspot of COVID-19 in the country with over 4,200 cases. Various measures have been taken by the authorities to contain the spread of the virus in its densely populated slums. Divyesh is joining us live from Mumbai with more details on this. Divyesh, the latest figures that have come out from Maharashtra is no doubt a cause of concern and worry for the authorities. You know, you've been telling us for the last many days the kind of elaborate steps the administration has taken, and yet you're seeing this kind of a spike in the number of cases. Has there been any sort of analysis by the government on exactly where the most number of cases have been reported, particularly in Mumbai?
Akshita, the biggest worry for Maharashtra state administration and health department remains is the huge slum pockets that the city has. Slum pockets like Dharavi, Govandi, Shivajinagar, Worli, Koliwada are some of the areas which have been declared as containment zones. We've seen that a number of cases have been rising in these particular pockets, though Worli Koliwada, after it was declared as a containment area, it showed some positive results. The worry remains in areas like Dharavi and Govandi Shivajinagar, where the number of cases are still growing, while there are several slum pockets as well in Mumbai, where BMC officials with help of health workers and volunteers have now started screening persons for checking possible symptoms of COVID-19. Also, BMC recently announced that they will be conducting a special drive to test all the senior citizens, people beyond age of 60, who will be checked and who will be tested if they in areas close to in containment areas and areas where hotspots have been declared, so that the mortality rate of COVID-19 could be brought down. This is a huge rise that we've seen in the last 24 hours. 778 cases in Maharashtra, of which 522 were from Mumbai. So all these possible steps are being taken by the state administration, by the health department. BMC officials are on their toes. Police officials are on their toes, trying to maintain lockdown, trying to maintain social distancing. Again and again, authorities have appealed to people that they shouldn't step out of their houses. The only key, as reported by India Today also, is for reducing the number of cases, reducing the community spread, is social distancing, and people should remain back in their homes, in their respective homes.
Right.
But areas like Dharavi, it is difficult because there are tiny shanties over there, and more than 7 to 8 people live in each shanty.
So clearly that remains the biggest challenge even at this point, to ensure that there is no spread in slums and in shanties, as Divyesh is pointing out. Divyesh, thank you for joining us with those details. Now, Maharashtra Housing Minister Jitendra Ahwad has also tested positive for COVID-19. Jitendra Ahwad was admitted to a Thane hospital on Tuesday after a week-long self-quarantine. 16 people associated with the minister had earlier, in fact, tested positive. This includes 5 police bodyguards, the cook, the house help and party workers. Ahwad had been in contact with a senior cop of the Mumbai police who had also tested positive for coronavirus.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.